Welcome to Dubai, a city where ambition has no limits. And today, we're stepping inside a place that perfectly captures that spirit. This is the Dubai Mall, not just a shopping center, but the largest luxury mall on Earth. Located right next to the iconic Burj Khalifa, this destination isn't just about shopping, it's an experience on a completely different scale. As you walk through these doors, it's hard to believe what lies ahead. The Dubai Mall spans over 12 million square feet. That's roughly the size of 200 football fields. And inside, more than 1,200 stores, from global fashion giants to ultra-luxury boutiques. But this isn't just about retail. This is where shopping meets entertainment, architecture, and pure spectacle. Welcome to Fashion Avenue, the heart of luxury. Here, the atmosphere changes instantly. The lighting softens, the marble floors shine, and the storefronts feel more like art galleries than shops. This is where you'll find some of the most exclusive designer brands in the world, all gathered in one elegant space designed to redefine high-end shopping. It's quiet, refined, and unmistakably premium. But step outside Fashion Avenue, and the energy shifts again. Suddenly, you're surrounded by thousands of people from all over the world. The Dubai Mall attracts over 100 million visitors every year, making it one of the most visited places on the planet. And as you walk, every corner reveals something new. Then you see it, a massive wall of water, glowing blue, the Dubai Aquarium. This isn't just an aquarium. It's one of the largest suspended tanks in the world, home to thousands of marine animals, including sharks and rays. Walking through the tunnel feels surreal, like stepping into another world beneath the ocean. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's more. A full indoor theme park, a virtual reality experience, a city built just for kids. This mall transforms into a playground for all ages, blending fun, learning, and technology into one seamless experience. And then, something completely unexpected, an Olympic-sized ice rink right in the middle of the desert. People skating, laughing, falling, getting back up. It's a reminder that this place isn't just about luxury, it's about moments. As the day winds down, the mall reveals another side. Over 200 dining options, from quick bites to fine dining, offering flavors from every corner of the world. And just outside, the Dubai Fountain begins to come alive. Water dancing to music, lights reflecting off the Burj Khalifa, a view that turns a simple meal into something unforgettable. And that's the magic of the Dubai Mall. It's not just its size, or its luxury, or even its attractions. It's how everything comes together. Shopping, entertainment, architecture, and atmosphere, all under one roof. From high fashion to underwater worlds, from ice rinks to dancing fountains, the Dubai Mall isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you experience. And no matter how many times you walk through it, there's always something new waiting around the corner. Dubai Mall, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary.